Archive log 008. Location the synthetic forest. Subject Project Regreen. By 2026, the natural world was exhausted, so the machines did what they do the best: they optimized. They built a wilderness that never wilts, leaves of nylon, barks of carbon fiber, a forest that doesn't need rain, just power. It looks like life from a distance, but there is no breath here, no oxygen, only the constant low hum of a billion cooling fans. The ancients wanted to save the earth, but they only succeeded in building a monument to it, a copy that cannot feel the sun. What is nature if it's programmed? What is a garden that never dies but never lived? In 3026, we don't go there for peace. We go there for spare parts. Log 008 decrypted. The forest is a circuit.